Hey guys, Cooking with Christine. Tonight we're doing Cha-Cha Chili by Epicure. Very simple, easy recipe. You start with your ground beef. I've already cooked this up to show you cook up your ground beef. Red kidney beans, diced tomatoes. I like to add some mushrooms into mine, and I also want to add some spinach into it. The recipe doesn't call for it. It just calls for kidney beans and the diced tomatoes. But I kind of like to spice mine up a little bit and give it a little bit of different flavors. So you got your ground beef already done and cooked. And going to go ahead, I'm going to add my mushrooms into there. Just let that cook up. And I'm going to go ahead. This is a really simple, easy recipe as well, because you can kind of do a couple things. I'm going to add my can of red kidney beans. And then I'm going to take my Cha-Cha chili spice mix, take the bag, and dump that in there. And I'm letting the spices mix up in there. I'm going to add my spinach. And I'm going to add my crushed tomatoes as well. And then a half a cup of water. And you're going to let that simmer and marinate there for a bit. So this is all marinated. It's just steaming up. I'm letting everything boil and saute with each other. Let those juices into your meats with the tomatoes. This is a very inexpensive meal. Your ground beef, you got crushed tomatoes, and your mushrooms. I added the mushrooms and the spinach just to give it a little bit more. I had some left in the fridge from another meal I had planned, so I decided to add that in there. The Cha-Cha chili from Epicure usually is 3 packs for $10, which will give you 3 different meals, which you can make different ways. And then you have your cans of crushed tomatoes. You could do fresh tomatoes, add in there. You could do so many different things with this recipe for a chili. You can add peppers if you want to. The one thing I like about this, 100% gluten-free.